I'm glad you got my message and we're well connected. And with good communication, let's start this show. Visual arts meets quantum physics in 2 installations in Moscow, Acton's Equilibrium and 1419 by Where Dogs Run, revolving around an enigmatic mirroring tron unifying art and science in a Kesslerian operative field, and explore the metaphorical relationships of wave mechanics with 100 sound and light fragments by Nicolas Barnier and RoboCut Studio. Playing the physical space like an instrument shown in the 4D sound documentary put out by Ableton, with Max Cooper, the pioneer of this tech, spoken of in a previous episode. Manipulate a medium-like sand noise device in augmented reality musical sandbox to create a lush, interactive experience. And what better way to do this than with the Novelia interactive album cover for DJ Kubert's Extraterrestrial with Bluetooth MIDI decks integrated into an app, adding to the array of sounds with iProphet Arturia for digitized analog sound, unreviving the days of the sequential Prophet VS. Explore the life of electronic musical visionary Suzanne Ciani in a life in waves, or descend into the underworld with mythical Ishtar and a connect in this short film. Overcome obstacles with VIB and VIB Ribbon, which finally gets its North American debut to create new levels with your own music to leave for others. Add rhythmic violence to speed with a Kafkian protagonist like in Thumper by Brian Gibson of Lightning Bolt and Mark Fleury, the duo of Drool, with a medley of landscapes that transform with your touch. Check out Panoramical, coming out soon by Finji and Polytron. Try out this concept Wearble Nutshell, giving you much needed privacy to unplug from the world for a while like a mobile Google Energy Pod. Or look into the Hush earbuds for noise cancelling at its finest, insulating you further from external noise and providing only the sounds you want to enjoy. With a built-in heart monitor while you exercise, check out Parrot's Zik Sport headphones. What do you get when you merge Danish audio design with timeless sound culture? Headphones engineered by Ghostly International and AiAiAi. For refined modernity, check out these Alpine Headphones for music that you can't just feel, but hear. Like this special hearing device of Frank Swain, who can hear Wi-Fi, creating phantom terrains, giving invisible data life. So you can wake up to a new day with the help of others with the Wakie app to get you on the go early. If you want a super quick charge, in minutes, Pronto 5 or 12 can get you just that. Named one of the smallest multifaceted and affordable chargers, here's another called Zolt. Bring city planning and deck building at lightning speed with Concrete Jungle, or slow things down with LuminoCity, a game I talked about in a previous episode, now available. Taking you back to a simpler time, the Gramovox Bluetooth speaker meshes modern technology with retro style. Meander into the world of Pinel and Zaquette's Mecaniques Discursives, made with woodcuts and vid projection with music by Safadli. Modify familiar objects into repurposed music makers like the homemade audio tape scratcher, the ScrubBoard, an alternative for turntable artists, like the minimal high-powered speaker, which I own and recommend, both compact and mobile, the Nude Audio M, that hands down is the sleekest portable speaker, spawning novelty like the Boom Boom speaker, described as both powerful Bluetooth interface and speakerphone, taking audio snapshots of your life. Leave your mark with Recho to create a scavenger hunt for from the remnants of realities left behind using geolocator tagged sound bites, experiencing new and old sound encounters in a 3D soundscape, Sound City project, and really listen to your surroundings outdoors on a bike with Cobi, a connected biking system that adds over 100 intelligent features to any bike, like the technology that connects two gamers' reflexes connected by EEG cap sensors, where one gamer asserts the movement of another gamer's reflexes by simply thinking it, uniting people in a different way, like the Humin app, a world that wouldn't otherwise exist without Ralph Baer's invention. The first game console, the brown box, and the Odyssey, his legacy will remain. Creating inspiration with Raspberry Pi A+, enabling more compact programming possibilities, like the Forward Movement, spawned by Code.org, a non-profit focused on computer programming education, and their short film with some notable names, advocating its cause, establishing a new baseline for human knowledge, like the Lantern One device, equivocated as the shortwave radio of the digital world, keeping you connected. Aren't you curious of what's next? Stay tuned.